Hey,
What's up?
is it still snowing?
No.
Stop.
Nice and funny.
Ah. I see you in 2 days.
How many hours for your flight?
More than 24 hours. 26 hours to go.
Awesome.
26
So
hours
excited.
plus 24 more hours. So yeah, like 2 more days. So it's 5 hours before our flight and we are almost packed and ready, and oh my god, I am so excited. And I have planned a very extensive video series on New York which I'm going to shoot once I'm there. पर मैंने सोचा कि इस वीडियो सीरीज की शुरुआत करते हैं right here अपने घर से. So let's start with discussing how we planned our trip to New York on a budget. So, first thing is the month of travel. Now, the cost will depend a lot on when you decide to travel. So, January is actually one of the cheapest months to go to New York because it's right after the main Christmas and the main holiday season, and it's one of the coldest month. तो ज़्यादा लोग प्रेफर नहीं करते न्यूयॉर्क जाना इस मंथ पे. लेकिन अगर आप थोड़ी ठंड बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं एंड यू एक्चुअली लाइक टू सी द स्नो, देन जनवरी माइट बी अ वेरी गुड आइडिया बिकॉज फ्लाइट्स, अकोमोडेशन, साइट सीइंग, everything is cheaper compared to the rest of the year. So let's start with flights. So here with me today is my husband, Gunjan. You must have seen him in a lot of other videos. And he is the one who takes care of all the bookings. So let's talk to him and please tell us how to book a cheap flight to New York.
तो फ्लाइट्स बुक करना एक्चुअली बहुत सिंपल है. आई हैव लाइक अ बंच ऑफ क्रेडिट कार्ड्स, तो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ तो ऑफर मिल जाता है. सो सम मंथ और द अदर some your credit card will have a promotion which you can use to save 10 to 20,000 rupees बहुत आराम से. जैसे मैंने अपनी फ्लाइट्स 2 अलग अलग मंथ्स में बुक करी. इसकी फ़्लाइट बुक हुई थी 31 दिसंबर को और मेरी फ़्लाइट बुक हुई थी 1 जनवरी को, बिकॉज एक प्रमोशन 31 में ख़त्म हो गया था जो एक फ्लाइट पे मिलता था. एनीवेज, द चीपेस्ट वे टू फर्स्ट फिगर आउट किस दिन जाना है, क्या प्राइसिंग सही है, वो है गूगल फ्लाइट्स पे जाकर सर्च कर लेना. आपको प्राइस का एक ट्रेंड मिल जाता है किस दिन चीपेस्ट फ्लाइट्स है. और एक साइट है kayak.com, KAYAK. गूगल फ्लाइट्स और kayak विल बेसिकली टेल यू इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स में किस वेबसाइट पर चीपेस्ट प्राइस अवेलेबल है उस फ्लाइट का. उसके बाद आप अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड के ऑफर्स लगा के उसको बुक कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमने अपनी बुकिंग करी है. एक बुकिंग है मेक माई ट्रिप पे, तो शचीज टिकट इज बुक्ड ऑन makeMyTrip.com एंड माई टिकट इज बुक्ड ऑन HDFC का स्मार्ट बाय वेबसाइट बिकॉज आई हैड अनदर ऑफर. सो हमने रिटेल पे किया अराउंड 61,000 रुपीज ग्रॉस पर हेड
for a return flight from Bangalore to New York and back.
And this was the shortest flight, like 21 hours का flight है, including.
So we are taking a Lufthansa flight, and this is a one-stop flight. And considering that we are traveling from Bangalore, I think this is one of the shortest, flying time that you can hope for. So this is Bangalore to Frankfurt, just a 2-hour halt in Frankfurt, and then Frankfurt to New York.
Absolutely.
And we paid around 60K.
61,000 पर हेड, और उसमें से एवरेज 10-15 हज़ार रुपए का कुछ कैशबैक टाइप मिल गया ऑन द क्रेडिट कार्ड. सो नेट पड़ा करीब 50,000 रुपीज पर हेड फॉर द रिटर्न जर्नी.
That's a good deal.
I always make good deals.
Okay. So this was the info about flights. Our travel date is 20th Jan, and like you mentioned, we booked it just 20 days before. Nothing too crazy, no too much advanced planning required. But yeah, since this was Jan. Now next, let's talk about accommodation. Now we are lucky that we have friends in New York, actually in New Jersey, so we have a place to stay for free. Thanks Ruhani Wadwa, shout out to you. But nevertheless, if you're looking for an accommodation in New Jersey, then the best option is to check Airbnbs. They're definitely cheaper than hotels. And right now on the screen I'll show you the prices for tomorrow. So I'm checking this for tomorrow's check-in, and a private room in a location which is pretty close to a metro station is available for as less as 2,000 per night, and a fully furnished studio apartment, that is you have the entire apartment to yourself, is available for about 5k per night. All this is in the New Jersey area, New Jersey Hoboken area. Surprisingly, even in Manhattan, even in uptown Manhattan, there were private rooms available for as cheap as 2k per night. So explore Airbnbs, make sure that you have a good location which is close to the metro, and again, you need not break the bank. You can get an accommodation at a pretty reasonable price. Third comes sightseeing. तो जैसे मैंने कहा कि जनवरी में क्योंकि टूरिस्ट population बहुत कम होती है, so there are a lot of discounts on all the sightseeing, on the Broadway shows and a lot of things. So there are a lot of ways to go around to get these discounts, but I will talk about all of this in my upcoming video series. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. Alright, so what is left? Yeah, visa. Now, before you plan any of this, you need to have a US visa. You need to have a B1, B2 tourist visa with you to plan to go to New York and to do all this. और ये प्रोसेस थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है क्योंकि पहले आपको एक फॉर्म भरना है, इंटरव्यू स्लॉट एक अपॉइंटमेंट स्लॉट बुक करना है, इंटरव्यू देना है, एंड यू हैव टू क्लियर दैट इंटरव्यू. सो it's slightly lengthy process, but I have an entire video series on the US visa process, right from filling the form to clearing the interview. Make sure that you check it out. It's going to be super helpful. I will leave the link for that in the description box below. Also, if you want to make this process simpler for you and make it absolutely hassle-free, you can also book a one-to-one consultation session with me. Me and my team will guide you throughout the entire process, right from filling the form to clearing the interview. So if you want to book this session, check the link in the description box below. Alright, so we are almost packed, but we're going to finish packing, wrap up everything around here and leave for the airport. Chalo dekhte. So the next time I see you will probably be at an airport, probably the Bangalore airport, the Frankfurt airport or the New York airport. But I'll keep you updated on the entire process, including immigration, and also share tips and all the info that you need about immigration process. So stay tuned for that and follow along. See you soon.